We are about to enter the room together. Our room is right here. I am here right now. She not here. She had her hair appointment. And yeah, this view right here is beautiful. I'm not even gonna cap. So first, we have boom little area right here. Then come in the bathroom, bathroom here. All right, so guys, I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the hotel right now while I'm going downstairs. Bear with me on the lighting because I know it's kind of dark, but that's fine because we are in the hotel on the 26th floor. I ain't gonna cut. When I first got on that, bro, it still felt like I was on it when I got off. And I'm finna get back on it to go down. So we finna go down together. All right, so let's go to the first floor. Hold on real quick before they move. Bro, chat, look at this view, bro. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Nice view. You can see straight out. I can't wait for it to be dark. Like, this go all the way back here. I go check it out. We're on the 26th floor, chat. Holy shit. This go all the way back here. So I was supposed to have rose petals like on the bed, like, but they didn't do that. So hey, excuse me, I got a question. You can help me find 264? Like, this is third, but I'm trying to find the fourth. 2640. 2640. But check out, look at this view though. This is a nice view. I'm at Marriott, Queens, in Atlanta, Georgia. And yeah, for the most part, guys, this is a nice view. nice room, nice hotel. I'm on the 26th floor, so yeah. I never been this high on the floor, so yeah. But I ain't gonna cap, bro. This is nice, like imagine, type shit, like. All right, so chat. Just made it back to the room. Had to go to the store, grab, something real quick. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. And yeah, it is around 8 something right now at night. Y'all are tuning in right now. Make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and I'm probably finna end this video off right here. So yeah, guys. With that being said, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, man, y'all share this video, and we out.